Hello guys, today's recipe is going to be Goan Chonya Cho Ros. Chone means chana, Ros means curry. So this is a typical Goan Chana Masala type of recipe, okay, which is eaten mainly with pav. You can eat it with rice or you can eat it with puri. I usually eat it with rice, Chonya Cho Ros and a vindaloo, okay. It tastes amazing. The process is very simple. We use white peas for this recipe, okay. The white peas has to be soaked overnight. I will give you all these information. Stick till the end. Without further ado, let's get started. To start off, it's really important to soak the chone, that's the white peas in English or safed Vatana in Hindi. So here I have half cup of white peas that was soaked overnight. Now trust me, these peas are tough and soaking them overnight is the only way to soften them up. Once it's soaked, toss the peas into a pressure cooker along with one medium-sized potato, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now you'll want to cook this on medium heat for about 5 to 6 whistles, just enough to make the peas soft and the potato nice and mushy. The potato will help thicken the gravy later. Now while the peas are cooking, I'll show you the masala. The masala is very simple but it's very flavorful. So here in this platter, as you can see, there is one medium sized onion sliced. You can slice it or chop it, whatever you want. Then there is 1-inch ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies, 1 medium tomato, half cup freshly grated coconut and half cup fresh coriander leaves. Now if you have the smaller garlic cloves, you can use around 8 to 9. If you have the bigger ones, you can use 4 maximum. The green chilies you can add as per your taste. If you want it spicy, you can increase the number of green chilies. Now all these ingredients will be roasted. So in a pan I have heated around 1 to 2 teaspoon of oil and I'll fry the onions along with ginger, garlic and green chilies. Now we need to fry the onions until it's translucent. Once, as you can see, the onions have turned translucent, we'll add the tomatoes. The tomatoes, as you can see, it's roughly chopped. Now we'll roast this well until the tomato is well cooked, it's mushy. So I'll just keep the flame on low. I'll cover this with a lid and I will just let it roast for a while. And here I'll be adding the fresh grated coconut. And here I'll also be adding in half teaspoon of garam masala powder. And now I'll just roast this for around 2 to 3 minutes more on medium flame. So it's been 2 to 3 minutes. I've roasted this well. I've turned off the flame and now I'll just keep this aside because by now our chickpeas also would be ready. So let's check that. Once the masala is ground and it's ready, we'll start with the final step. Now for the final step, in a pot I've heated 1 teaspoon oil. In that I'll be adding in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts crackling, I will throw in a red Kashmiri chili and a few fresh curry leaves for that amazing aroma. And now I will add in the ground masala. Now we need to cook this masala along with the chickpeas. So we'll just make sure that we'll add in some water. So in the same blender, we'll just add in water. We'll take off all the masala and we'll add it into the pot. Just keep the consistency thick. Here I'll be adding the boiled white peas as well. So whatever water is remaining in the pressure cooker, I will use that as well. Now we'll need to simmer this for around 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame, making sure that there is enough water so that the masala doesn't burn from the bottom, and keep checking it in regular intervals. And there you have it, a delicious Goan Chonya Cho Ros is ready. I personally love eating this with pav, but it pairs equally well with puris or rice. Give this a try and I promise it'll become one of your favorite Goan comfort foods. This is eaten specially for breakfast with pav, so try this out and you will love it. So that's about it, guys. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video. Do try this Chonya Cho Ros at home. It is very simple, it is very easy. The masala is very flavorful. Try eating this with pav. Blend this with any vindaloo or fried chicken. You will love it. It's a very delicious recipe. Trust me, try it once and you will love this. So share this video with your friends and family. Hit the like button. Comment below. Let me know which video to make next and I'll try making that. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.